Hi, good morning. This is my next tutorial for Madras Bazaar where I'll be doing a Faux druzzy pendant. So I'll be using these molds, UV resin, crystals and pearl pigments. So before starting, please make sure the entire surface is protected with a plastic or a butter paper, and make sure you wear non-latex nitrile gloves. So I'm first pouring my layer of UV resin. Now make sure it's flowing to all the sides. Okay, my son is the one who actually asked me to do the project, so I'm doing this project. It's a very quick project actually. So move the UV resin to all the sides. Make sure all the sides are covered, and also make sure there are no air bubbles. So with the help of a flame torch, please make sure all the air bubbles are broken. So once you are satisfied that the surface is completely clean, apply the UV light for about say 1 minute or 2 minutes depending upon your watt. So once now you can check how hard the layer is formed. Now the second layer I'll be using UV resin along with the turquoise blue pearl pigment that was given to me. Just mix thoroughly to incorporate the pearl pigments completely. Make sure there are no blotches or extra any residues. So once this is done, I'll be pouring it. So this is a different kind of a pendant where it's more contemporary or more stylish. So just completely make sure that the powder is mixed with UV resin, and pour it on the first layer of this transparent UV resin. And same as the first layer, push it to the sides. Make sure all the sides are covered. And usually with this you won't get much of an air bubble because anyways they will pop up, and anyways you will be incorporating these crystals. Now I'm going to use these crystals in gradations. First I'll be using a dark blue layer, and then I'll be using this very light green, and then the white layer. So it is just, to bring out the gradation. Anyway, if there is a base of a turquoise color, it's not very prominently seen, but I'm sure if you look closely you will be able to appreciate all the three colors. So you have a dark blue, you have a light green, and then you have a white color. So just place it inside the blue surface and switch on the UV light for a period of say 2 minutes. And once this is done, just check if it's a little hard, and then pop it out of the mold. Now see, can you see how beautiful they look? And turn it on the other side also and apply a layer of this UV light. See, now I have attached the jump ring, the bails and the chain. If you want, you can apply a layer of resin glaze. It's completely up to you. And this is a very stylish look. You can use the same look for earrings or pendants or keychain. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you.